Hi, everybody. Glad you're with us. I'm Darren Kramer. Keith and Ann are both off tonight. We're following breaking news out of Hartford right now, where a construction worker has been seriously hurt after falling 2 stories from some scaffolding. News 8's Bob Wilson joins us now live from the scene. He's got new information for us. Bob?
Originally, he was in critical condition, but they have upgraded him to guarded right now. Let's go to the video. You can see the scaffolding from where he fell, and it's a sad accident all the way around. We talked to the construction foreman, and he says that their first day was their first day on the job. He had 4 guys. They had their OSHA cards, and they had just gotten them, and they were learning and training to set up scaffolding. They had set up scaffolding. They had just finished the day when the worker on top, he said, "That's it, and we're done for today." And the guy turned and just stepped off the scaffolding and hit the ground pretty hard. According to the foreman, he said literally he was foaming at the mouth, and it was a very, very serious fall. And he describes the fall in his own words.
Unfortunately, yes, I saw him land. He landed straight on his head. He stepped off and he just stepped off. And he had safety rails also. He just turned and went down.
Now, it is a training program here. The foreman was telling us, as well as police, that they're bringing in people from the inner city who would like to learn how to trade, and he was training them and working with them. They had passed their OSHA test, but this was their first hands-on day. And police have been out here. The crime scene detectives have been out here. They've been photographing the scene. This is a city-owned building and a city-owned project. I'm Bob Wilson, reporting live in Hartford, News 8.